Hello and welcome back to Gossipfunda, and in this video, we're gonna talk about a connection issue of Roblox. So we are having a connection error in Roblox, and in this video, we're gonna see some possible ways to fix it. So first of all, check the survey status of the Roblox. You can easily check the survey status of Roblox on its official website. The official website will provide accurate information. This will help you to know whether there is a server issue or not. And if there is a server issue, then you can't do anything, you just have to wait. You can even check the X page of Roblox to get more information regarding the current issues. Now secondly, check your internet connection. Make sure to provide a strong and stable internet connection, because if you are playing on a slow internet and the experience is big, it can take a good bit of time. Also make sure that you are using a supported browser, and these are the best supported browsers. Also if you are using an ad blocker on your browser, then make sure to disable it, because the ad blocker extensions cause a number of issues. Also make sure to allow the Roblox application to work through the firewall, and for that open firewall setting in control panel, and here click on this option of allow an app through firewall, and in this list select Roblox and click on OK. If these method does not work, then simply reinstall the Roblox, and if you tried all these and still you are facing the issue, then simply contact the customer support of Roblox. I hope this video was useful to you. Make sure to like, share and subscribe.